Well, I was hoping to get all of the siding and all the floor and the whole shed done while we had the class here, but we were just able to get the frame up. So I'm finishing it solo. So what I've done so far is I've just added some diagonal supports here, just used some 4-inch screws to add these in, which stiffen up the frame, which had a little bit of wiggle because there wasn't a lot of there weren't any knee braces or anything like that, so there wasn't a lot of shear strength to prevent racking. So I've added these, as well as when I screw the siding boards here and seat them in the dados, that will also add a fair amount of shear strength. But I just wanted to make sure that the frame was really rigid before I put the siding on. So these diagonal braces with just, one 4-inch screw in each end here have added a lot of strength. The guys in the course know that, you could shake this thing back and forth before I put these braces in, whereas now it's nice and solid. So the next step is to lay the flooring. I've got 2x10s. I just spruced 2x10s that we did a little shosugi band burnt wood technique on to help preserve the wood. So I'm going to cut those, notch the floor in place, and then we're going to place some 2-inch drip flashings around the sill beam here that the siding will overlap onto. So let's get the floor down. finished. So pumped to have this thing done just in time for winter rains and cold weather. First and foremost, let me say thank you. Huge shout out to all the guys that came from all over North America to help me get this project done. We had such a good time, so in no particular order, thank you, Jared, Dustin, Joel, Greg, Vincent, Adam, Taylor, Scott, Centerpost, also known as Ivan, Stuart, Sean, Adam, Trevor, and Chris. Thank you so much, guys, for doing this. Thank you all so much, you guys. It was such a good time. I can't wait to put on another class, maybe see a few of you guys returning and meet a whole bunch of new people. If you want to learn this kind of woodworking, I've got an online woodworking school where I'm sharing everything I know about woodworking. So click the link down in the box below or up in the corner. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you're wondering how I got an epic farmer tan on one arm, it's actually not a farmer tan, it's an arc burn from welding in a t-shirt, okay? Lesson learned. Till the next video, guys, Samurai out!